Need to reset Windows but can't log in? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to access advanced startup options even when your PC won't boot. This is the Windows Club. This is the Windows Club. If you want to reset Windows using advanced startup options when the PC won't boot, this video will help to do that. There are multiple ways to access the advanced startup options, but most of them are accessible only when you can sign into your user account. However, this video will help you open the same menu when you cannot log into your account. Let's get started. Reset Windows 11 using advanced startup options when PC won't boot. As the advanced startup options is not accessible directly, you need to use the indirect method. For that, you must restart your computer 2 to 3 times continuously. After that, you can automatically find the advanced startup options on your screen. Then use the up and down arrows to select the troubleshoot option and press enter. Select the reset this PC and hit the enter button. Next, you can find 2 options. Keep my files, remove everything. If you want to keep your files but want to reset other settings, choose the first option. Otherwise, select the second one. Then you have another 2 options, cloud download and local reinstall. You can learn more about cloud reset from this guide in detail. Then choose the desired option and select the reset button. Once done, your computer will take some time to reset everything as per your requirements. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.